Hello, this is Melanie from Growing My Own. I'm going to be harvesting my 2 cabbage today. I already ripped a lot of these leaves off because they were covering up everything underneath. Yeah, I don't know how much this weighs. Maybe this is about 2 pounds. Oh, look at the worm. Ow. Okay, so this is cabbage number 1. I grab the other one now. Okay, this is cabbage number 2. Oh, this stalk is so thick. Ooh. Okay, I just have to wring it out. Oh, this one is not even as thick as the other one. Oh. Yes, they were cabbage number 2. Okay, everything in here can get some more light. Maybe this onion can start bulbing up. This one is bulbing up a little since the carrot comes out. This one is already a big guy. Look at these, because they weren't getting any light. It's still so tiny. I'm always so impatient when it comes to harvesting my potatoes. I'm always doing it prematurely. And I tell myself this time I'm gonna let them go to the end of July. But I just saw these here and I can't resist it. So I'm just gonna harvest this one plant. Just this one. Oh my God. Woo! Look, holy moly. Look at this. Ah! This is from one plant. Holy crap. And there's some more. Oh shit. Oh, pardon my expression, but I'm so excited. Look, I did not expect this. I absolutely did not expect this. Wow, I have to take out one of this cabbage to put all of those in it. Oh, let me see if any is out here. Holy moly. This is from one plant. No, I guess this coming from the other plant beside it. And these were all growing on top. They weren't even growing in the ground. So I guess I can do an official potato harvest soon. Maybe tomorrow. Look at the size of this one. Holy macaroni. I did not expect this. And thank God the wireworm didn't get to them. Look at this. I'm gonna pull the other one beside it. Now I'm getting all excited. Let me see if anything leaving the ground here. From the other plant, and the thing is they grow on top, they don't go down into the dirt, so I didn't even have to dig. I came with my little shovel to dig and I didn't have to. Melanie did well this year. Okay, just realized my camera was zooming too much, so I couldn't pick up everything. Oh, looky there. Almost 12 these. I'm so happy with these. These are not the potato from, oh, these are from the house. Yeah, these are potatoes I have growing inside. The ones that I bought, I'm gonna leave these until the end of the month. Even though I let the grandkids pull one day the day, I want them to do something exciting before they leave. Maybe this could have stayed a little longer, but that's me. When I get carried away, I just keep going and going. I'm gonna grab these and move now before going further and dig up the others. But I think this one was planted the same time as this. Okay, so let me just grab this. So my back is killing me, but I gotta do this. See what's in here. Oh. See, I said I'm gonna stop there and I just keep going and going. This is my seed potato. Okay, I'm gonna, I think I have some more in here. Make sure I get everything because I have so much volunteer potatoes came up this year. Oh, I'm gonna come back with the fork and go through this. But look at this, from 2 plants. So this is my harvest for today and I'm so happy with it. I have no intention of harvesting potato until the end of July. But because these were just sticking up on top, I just said, let me just pull them out, and I was in awe. And I also harvested my 2 cabbages, and I have 2 ready cucumbers, so I harvest those as well. I'm so tempted to go ahead now and start to harvest the rest of potatoes. I'm gonna weigh this when I go in. Maybe it's about 20 pounds or so. I don't know. My basket is full. I said originally it's 2 plants. It's actually 3 plants. Anyway, this is it from Melanie from Growing My Own. I'm signing off. Very happy. It's the first time I've gotten so much potatoes from a plant. And I hope you like this video. Okay, bye.